Most people use their car key fob for just one thing: locking and unlocking the doors. But what if I told you that this small device has hidden features that many drivers never discover? Here are 10 hidden uses of your car key fob, and the last one could save you in an emergency. 10. Find your car. In a crowded parking lot, press the lock or panic button to make your car flash its lights or sound the horn, helping you find it in seconds. 9. Remote window control. On many vehicles, holding the unlock button can lower the windows, while some models can also close them. By holding the lock button, perfect for cooling a hot cabin. 8. Open the trunk remotely. Many key fobs let you unlock or even fully open the trunk without touching the car, making it easier when your hands are full. 7. Panic alarm. If you ever feel unsafe or need attention in an emergency, pressing the panic button activates the horn and flashing lights to attract help. 6. Remote engine start. On equipped vehicles, you can start the engine from a distance to cool or warm the cabin before getting inside. 5. Fold the side mirrors. Some cars automatically fold the mirrors when you lock the vehicle, while others allow this through the key fob or vehicle settings. 4. Disable or enable keyless entry. Certain manufacturers allow you to temporarily disable the keyless entry system for added security against relay theft. 3. Memory driver settings. In some vehicles, different key fobs automatically load personalized seat positions, mirror angles, climate settings, and infotainment preferences. 2. Hidden mechanical key. Most modern key fobs contain a removable metal key that can unlock the driver's door if the key fob battery dies. And number 1. Starting the car with a dead key fob battery. Many push-button start vehicles can still recognize a weak or dead key fob if you hold it against the start button or a designated spot inside the car. This little trick can save you from being stranded. Keep in mind that not every car supports all of these features. They vary by make, model, and year. Check your owner's manual, because your key fob may be far more powerful than you ever imagined.